Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how you are going to use the cards component of the Bootstrap. So let's start. I am opening my Visual Studio Code editor or VS Code editor, and this is my cards example. Now I have the basic layout of the cards related basic setups. So if you want to work with the cards, you need to know cards have three components or three sections. What are they? Header section will be there, body section will be there, footer section will be there. So you should create a div class, the class name as cards, the and next one card hyphen header, because it is a header section. So likewise I can have card hyphen footer, body. Finally we are going to have card hyphen footer. So let us save this one and let us verify how the content is modified. See how beautiful it is laid out, sir. Header content is separated, body content is separated, div content is separated, footer content is separated. So this is the way I can style the one. And you need to remember one thing, all sections are optional. Based on your requirement, you can give a header and body, or header body and footer, or all three together. There is no required content, but most of the time we will have the body section card, and here I'm going to configure card-body. Now you can observe in this scenario I am not having any header and footer, so this is totally okay. So let me refresh. Now you can have a good border and as well as the padding, all the default styling automatically applied. Sir, I want some act as a container, card as a container. So right now this is my card and this is my subtitle and the links. I want to beautify this one. How it is possible? As very simple, observe card, and as well as this is a body content, that is why card-body, and the title. So we have a special classes to represent different text in the card. So I have card-subtitle also. Yes sir, I am able to create the subtitle, and card-text, some text content, and this is a link. That is why I am configuring card-observe sir link, and the same way I can configure another link also. That is totally nice. Let me refresh. Now you can see this is beautifully laid out. So you can see earlier we don't have the gap between the links. Now it is beautifully laid out, and in the same way the content also and the padding around the content is automatically happening because we have what's a card and card-body. So this is the way I can act as a means. I am using card as a container for my content. So this is the preferred way when we want to display certain number of elements in a group, as a group. At the time I will go for the card. So in the e-commerce websites we usually have a product details with the image starting, later on product name and the content and the price. So how you are going to do? Card, observe card hyphen image hyphen top and card hyphen body, card hyphen title and card hyphen text. So this is the number of how much width you are expecting. Let me say some 30 so that it look nice. See sir, how beautiful it is. So right now this is the image at the top, and this is the product name you can type or you can have, and the product details, and finally the checkout button. So this is the way I can have a card. Now in the same way let me create another one with all the header and footer related styling. Observe card is the base one, and card-body, card-header, and later on card-body and card-title, because it is a title I have, and in the same way card-text. Finally card-footer. So I have all the contents one by one. It's going to be look like this. So card, title, beautifully laid out. So this is the way I can have. Not only you have the card, you can have what's a horizontal, means image at the left hand side and the content on the right hand side. It is also possible. And in the same way, suppose if you want to display a group of cards, create a div and the class name should be card-group. Inside the div, we can have multiple cards and the look and feel will be like this. So I hope you understand the example and please practice the example. Thank you.